So here's my motherboard candidate for the build challenge. This is from the XPS 8700 that I purchased a couple days ago, and the whole computer was $20. It works. It has a 4th gen i7, 8 gigabytes of memory, a GT 630, and I think that it was 380 watts on the power supply. The thing is that you might say, well, why don't you just use this? The whole entire computer was $20. All of this, even the hard drive, 1 terabyte, was all 20 bucks. And that would be the easy way, but I want to build something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if this motherboard fits in the new case. I might carry this with me, not sure. And then I want to upgrade the heatsink here, and then I want to upgrade the memory. So I want to put something together. I just don't want to have the pre-built and then you put in the graphics card and that's the end of the build. It's just very boring. So I should just do that, upgrade the power supply and upgrade the GPU and put in an SSD and call it a day. But I like to do things the hard way. So first of all, before we get too excited, let's see if this motherboard fits in the new case, and then we'll go from there. So we're here. This is it. It's installed in the HP case. It's up and running, just temporarily installed. And I moved my parts from my other computer in here just to test it out. The power supply and the graphics card. So we have two 8 gigabyte DDR3s, so we're going to need 2 more of those. The main thing though is that the cabling is very awkward. I had to run this around. I wonder if there's a way I can run it behind from here. So I have to figure that out. But I'm not 100% on this particular selection, but for $20 to have an i7 4th gen, I think that's probably the way to go. I really wanted to have like a nice 6th gen or something, but I think that if we only spend $20 on the motherboard solution, see these, I have to figure out. I tried to hook up the front panel, but it didn't work, so I just have it manually turned on. But $20 for the case and $20 for the motherboard, CPU, and RAM is a good start. So we'll move on to the power supply, storage, and then we'll get into some nice effects. I will upgrade this. You already know I'm gonna have a big tower fan here, so that this will not pass. All right, we'll see you in the next episode. But this is the Dell XPS 8700 4th gen i7 motherboard in the HP. That was only $20 for the motherboard and RAM and processor. We'll see ya. This is not